Good morning, students. Take page number 30. Mind map with some categories merged. In this mind map, they have merged the two or more topics. Okay, they have merged more than two topics. So here in computers, it's the main topic, and the subcategory is hardware, purchase, users, and then history. And the second level of categorization is places, purposes, and then devices. Here in page number 29, you can see use for various purposes, use for various places, use in other devices. These three uses have merged into a single topic as uses. Okay, these three topics have merged into a single topic as uses. And the second level categorization is taken as places, devices, and then purposes. Okay, places, devices, and then purposes. Okay, these three have been merged into a single topic. Mind map with one category modified. Okay, mind map with one category modified. So in computer you can see there is both hardware and software. There is both hardware and software. But in our mind map we have included only the hardware. So this is not fair. So we need to include both the hardware and software. So additional we are taking the topic as working. Okay, and then the subtopic is hardware and software. Okay, subtopic is taken as hardware and software because without hardware and software the computer cannot able to work. So in computer they have taken as the main topic, and the subtopic is working, and the second topic is hardware and the software. Okay, analyze and decide. Examine each category and its subcategories. So in last we need to examine the categories. Okay, analyze the information and finalize the categories and subcategories relevant to the goal by merging some categories. We have done the users. We have merged the three topics. For example, use in various places, use for various purposes, and use in other devices merged in the uses of a computer in a single topic, single topic. Dropping some categories or subcategories. For example, dropping buying of computers. So in next the final mind map we have dropped the category as buying of computers because that is not very important. Okay, so we have dropped the topic buying of computers. Deciding whether more information is required. For example, addition of working of computers. So I already told that the computer cannot able to work without hardware and software. So we have additionally added the topic as working. In that we have given hardware and software. The final mind map. What is our final mind map? Computer's main topic and the subtopic is users, history, and then working. Here we have dropped the topic purchase. Okay, here we have dropped the topic purchases and have merged the three topics users under the user. So this is our final mind map. Making mind map using symbol mind. So we have designed our mind map. Then we need to make the presentation. So let us make the mind map with the symbol mind. So symbol mind is a mind mapping tool. Okay, symbol mind is a mind mapping tool to draw mind maps. Okay, to draw the mind maps. So here we can see in step 1, type the central theme of the mind map and tap OK. So first we need to type the theme. So in our lessons we are making the topic as computer, but here they have given mobile devices. Okay, and so we need to enter the central theme and then click OK. Tools in mind map. So these are the different tools in mind map. Note tool, word tool, topic toolbar tool, and at last main editor menu or the toolbar. We will see the explanation of these tools. And then another one, commands in topic toolbar tool. What are the commands they are using means cut, copy, paste and then layout. Okay, these are the commands in topic toolbar tool. First one is note tool. So here is the note. This is the note tool. It is used to add a note to the topic. It is used to add notes to the topic. And then note tool. This is the icon for note tool. It is used to add a new topic. Used to add a new topic to your project. Word tool. It is used to adjust the topic as it may be your width or the height. Sibling node tool. Add a new topic to the parent of the selected topic. So here we can add a new topic, like for example here mobile device is the parent topic. So here we can give these are the child topic. Okay, these are the child topics. And then topic toolbar tool. Topic toolbar tool. In topic toolbar tool, you can see the commands like copy, cut, paste and then layout. Once you click this topic toolbar tool, then the options are you can use is cut, copy, paste and layout. And then copy. Copy, we all know that it is used to copy a text, word or a sentence. And then cut also, it cut from the words or the topic from one place and can be pasted in the other place also. Paste means add the pasted topic to the selected topic as children. So here we can if you cut or copy the sentence or a word, we can paste by using the paste icon. You can paste it on some other places. And then the last one is layout button. So there are different types of layout: freeform, horizontal, vertical, top down and list. So by using these layout options, you can design your mind map. Okay, so what are the different icons in symbol mind app? Note tool, word wrap tool, sibling note tool, topic toolbar tool, copy, cut, paste, layout button. So this is our parent node. Okay, in computer terms we say this is the parent node, and these are the nodes are called as child node or sibling node. Okay, thank you.